The word teenager comes from the Latin word adolescere, which means to grow or grow into adulthood. This term has a broader meaning that encompasses mental, emotional, social, and physical maturity. Adolescence clearly shows the nature of transition, as teenagers have not yet acquired adult status but no longer possess the status of a child. Adolescence is a transitional period because during this time a person has left childhood but has not yet entered adulthood. Teenagers who become hyperactive on social media often post their daily activities, seemingly portraying a lifestyle that tries to keep up with modern trends. However, what they post on social media does not always reflect their actual social life. While this teenager may post about a life full of joy, in reality, they often feel lonely. Social media is a digital platform that facilitates its users to interact with each other or share content in the form of text, photos, and videos. It is a digital platform that provides facilities for users to carry out social activities. Social media also serve as means of socializing with one another, conducted online, allowing people to interact without being limited by space and time. A person who procrastinates is called a procrastinator. Academic procrastination has psychological impacts on students, including negative emotional disturbance such as anxiety and stress. If these negative emotions are left unchecked, they can become dangerous, disruptive, and hinder students' ability to complete their academic tasks. The behavior of academic procrastination also has other negative impacts on procrastinators, such as feelings of guilt or regret, less optimal test performance, and receiving warning or penalties from lecturers. Students tend to develop a negative habit of delaying their academic task. This leads to regret for postponing assignment, as this habit is done consciously and intentionally by the students themselves. Regret also arises from having too much free or idle time that is not utilized effectively. This feeling of regret often occurs after students complete their assignment at the last minutes. However, there is no self-reflection or introspection from the students, so the habit of procrastinating continues despite the known negative impacts. The dissatisfaction with assignments complete at the last minute is due to the limited time to revise or add missing elements, making the complete text less optimal. Poorly optimized text will naturally result in lower grades from lecturers. Assignments that are rushed and poorly planned also affects the quality of the work produced. Furthermore, students may receive penalties and warning from lecturers for submitting late assignments. These penalties can include having the workload double, receiving reprimands, or being expelled from the class. The first step is changing behavior. We need to transform our behavior to become more productive and push ourselves to be disciplined by starting to work on tasks that are a priority. The second step is changing cognition or the way of thinking. This cognitive change is closely related to mindset. We must shift our mindset to start working on tasks immediately without delay. Additionally, we need to understand and realize that time is incredibly valuable and cannot be regained once lost. Lastly, improving motivation is essential. This can be done by reconnecting with the basic of personal motivation. For example, by asking yourself questions like, why am I studying here? Why have I been working so hard to learn all this time? The answer could be to gain knowledge, to become successful and secure a good job in the future, or to make my parents proud. By doing so, The motivation to complete tasks such as assignment will naturally arise.